اسم بدرة ده جه منين؟ هي قالت بدرة جمال علشان هي بتحب سامية جمال جدا جدا، ولكن بدرة بقى جه ازاي بدرة؟
Well, I was 14 years old.
14 سنة؟
I was in Chile in a vale. It's called the Vale of the Moon. And I remember I was sitting and you know, like there is no light, no electricity. You just see the desert and the moon. It was so bright that day. So I wanted to choose a name related to with the moon, with the light of the moon. I went to Google and I write like Luna, moon, كده in Arabic, and I found Badr.
بدر, yes. بدر القمر.
And then I was like, okay, I like Badr, so I'm gonna add the A. So because I'm feminine, I'm Badra. And then from that time, خلاص I'm Badra. And there is a new thing that I knew this year is that there is Badra thing is also coins that the Egyptian people throw in their weddings. Yeah.
في حاجة اسمها بدرة. No, imagine, بس دي ممكن I can Google it. حاجة مصرية قديمة بترمي كوين بدرة.
أيوة, and they throw it for the bride.
واو, للعروسة.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know about it. أكيد سمعتوا القصة. It's a beautiful story. So you named yourself.
I like to see myself like I'm a light.
You're the light.
I like to, yes.
You light the way.
Yes.
To yourself or to others?
Both.
To yourself first and then others, إن شاء الله.
We're working on that.
سألتها طبعا جاي منين اسم بدرة. بتقول إن هي وهي صغيرة وهي عندها حوالي 14 سنة كانت موجودة في حتة في الصحراء. كان القمر موجود وكان الجو حلو قوي وما كانش فيه غير القمر. فقعدت تجوجل أسامي كتير جدا عن القمر زي لونا, لون, وبعدين لقيت اسم بدر يعني القمر. فقالت أنا هخليه بدرة عشان يبقى مؤنث لأن أنا بنت. I love the story. Since 14 and you're بدرة. يعني you're بدرة even in Chile.
Yes, even in the college, the teacher, everyone called me Badra.
What's your real name? اسمك الحقيقي.
Alejandra Constanza.
Okay, again.
Alejandra Constanza.
Alejandra Constanza. Okay.
Call me.
ده اسمها الحقيقي. أنا عرفت ليه العربي بالنسبة لها صعب عشان ده كمان صعب.
اسمي Alejandra.
Okay.